The life of army shoes is normally distributed with mean and standard deviation 2. Mean 5 with standard deviation 2. If 5000 pairs are insured, how many pairs would be expected to need replacement after 12 months? So with mean 8 and standard deviation 2. So given mu is equal to 8 and sigma is equal to 2. So standard normal variate z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. So x minus 8 by 2. To find the number of pairs would be expected to need replacement after 12 months. After 12 months, so we need to find probability of life of shoes above 12 months. So life of shoes means x. So probability of x greater than 12. So probability of x greater than 12 can be written as subtracting mu on both sides of the inequality. Probability of x minus mu 8 greater than 12 minus 8. That is equal to probability of x minus 8 greater than 4. Now divided by sigma on both sides of the inequality. Probability of x minus 8 by sigma, that is 2, greater than 4 by 2. So probability of z. So z is nothing but x minus 8 by 2. So z greater than 2. So the normal area greater than 2, right? So this can be written as total right side area minus area under the normal curve between z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 2. So right side area 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than z less than 2. So from the table 0.5 minus 0.4772. So the probability is 0.0228. So for the 5000 pairs, right? So we need to find out of 5000 pairs how many pairs to be replaced after 12 months. So we need to multiply 5000 into the required probability, that is 0.0228, right? That is equal to 114 shoes. So number of pair expected to replace after 12 months is equal to 5000 minus 114. So because above 12 months, right? Above 12 months means the remaining one, right? Right, above 12 months you are having 114, right? 114. After 12 months means, so 5000 minus 114, right? Right, once 12 months after finishing of 12 months, the 12th month you have to replace this number of shoes. So life above 12 months means 114 shoes. So remaining shoes all to be replaced, right? So 5000 minus 114, 4886. Next one, next problem. The mean inside diameter of a sample of 200 washes produced by a machine is 0.502 centimeter and the standard deviation is 0.005 centimeter. The purpose for which these washers are intended allow the minimum tolerance in the diameter of 0.496 to 0.508 centimeter. Otherwise the washers are considered defective. Determine the percentage of defective washers produced by the machine. Assume the diameters are normally distributed. So given mu is equal to 0.502 and the standard deviation sigma is equal to 0.005, right? So we know the standard normal variate z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. So substituting the value of mu and sigma, so you will get dz, right? To find the percentage of defective washers produced by the machine. Note that the washers are non-defective if the diameters are lies between 0.496 to 0.508. So we need to find first probability of non-defective washers. So that is to find probability that is washers means x, right, is lies between 0.496 to 0.508. So subtracting mu on both side, probability of 0.496 minus 0.502, that is mu, less than x minus mu 0.508, less than 0.508 minus mu 0.502. So you will get probability of minus 0.006 less than x minus 0.502 less than 0.006. So divided by the sigma is 0.005. So probability of minus 0.006 divided by 0.005 less than x minus 0.502 divided by 0.005 less than 0.006 divided by 0.005. That is the sigma. So probability of minus 1.2 less than z less than 1.2. So area under the normal curve between minus 1.22 plus 1.2. So this directly you can return 2 times probability of 0 less than z less than 1.2. So otherwise you can do the splitting. First negative side area plus positive side area. Minus 1.2 to 0, then 0 to 1.2. Minus 1.2 to 0 is nothing but z is equal to 0 to plus 1.2. So because the area is equal because of the symmetric of the curve. So area under the normal curve z is equal to 0 to 1.2 plus area under the normal curve 0 to 1.2. So 2 times area under the normal curve 0 to 1.2. So 2 times probability of 0 less than z less than 1.2. So 2 into 0.3849, that is equal to 0.7698. Hence the number of non-defective washes. So 200 into the probability 0.7698. So 154 approximately. And the percentage of non-defective washes 100 into 0.7698. So 76.98, that is approximately 77 point. So defective washes 100 minus 77, right, 23%, right. Thanks. Next problem. Assuming that the diameter of 1000 brass plugs taken consecutively from a machine from a normal distribution, right. So diameters of 1000 brass plugs, right, taken consecutively from a machine form a normal distribution with the mean 0.7515 centimeter and standard deviation 0.002 centimeters. How many of the plugs are likely to be rejected if the approved diameter is 0.752 plus or minus 0.4004 centimeter? So given mu is equal to 0.7515, sigma is equal to 0.002. As usual, standard normal variate z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, that is x minus 0.7515 by 0.002, that is z, right. Now to find the number of plugs are likely to be rejected. Note that the non-defective plugs are within the diameter 0.752 to minus 0.004 and 0.752 plus 0.004. That is what they have given. That is to find probability of 0.752 minus 0.004, that is 0.748 less than x less than 0.752 plus 0.004, 0.756, right. The diameter between 0.748 and 0.756, right. So probability of 0.748 less than x less than 0.756, subtracting mu, probability of 0.748 minus mu is 0.7515 less than x minus mu 0.7515 less than 0.756 minus mu 0.7515. So that is probability of minus 0.0035 less than x minus 0.7515 less than 0.0045. Then divided by sigma. So probability of minus 0.0035 by sigma, that is 002 less than x minus 0.7515 divided by sigma 0.002 less than 0.0045 divided by sigma, that is 0.002. So probability of minus 1.75 less than z less than 2.25. So area is lies between minus 1.75 to 2.25. So we are splitting the area. First negative area minus 1.75 to 0, middle, right. then 0 to positive area 2.25. But minus area, that is z is equal to 0 minus 1.75 to 0 can be equal to area under the normal curve 0 to plus 1.75 because of the symmetry, right? So area under the normal curve 0 to 1.75 plus area under the normal curve 0 to 2.25. So probability of 0 less than z less than 1.75 plus the probability of 0 less than z less than 2.25. So 0.4599 plus 0.4878, which is equal to 0.9477. Hence the number of accepted plugs 1000 into 0.9477, so approximately 948. So rejected plugs, so remaining, right, 1000 minus 948, that is equal to 52. Thanks.